Welcome back to my Moore Report chart analysis videos on Monday the 7th of August with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen. Dollar yen has started to rally again today. Interesting. Dollar has sort of struggled a little bit against the euro and sterling today. However, against the yen, it's actually performing still fairly well. You saw on Friday this strong bull candle, which has sort of almost got you into a bit of a basing process, really. 111 big figure held basically last week, and again pretty broadly on Friday, just 4 ticks up. But I think a close above 111 big figure would complete a little bit of a base pattern, little small base pattern that would give you an implied measure target around about 20 ticks. Let's say 120 ticks. So that would sort of imply 1220 area. Interestingly enough, that would be that high there from 2 weeks ago. So you could be in the process, here we see on the hourly chart, you could be in the process of this little base pattern forming, which would see a rally back to this high here from the 26th. Now, momentum indicators are more positively configured, but they need to remain so. They need to continue to remain certainly above these moving averages. You need to see the RSI remaining above 50, the MACD lines remaining above neutral. If they start to lose those levels, I think that sort of would suggest we're in more of a ranging phase rather than a basing phase. But for now, certainly, that little improvement that we've seen today is starting to put pressure back on 11 big figure again. Now, it's interesting that 110.60, which is this dotted blue line, which had become a bit of a sort of a pivot, is again supportive. So 110.60 seems to be a bit of a near-term floor. Again, a little bit of a gauge. So if you lose that 110.60 support, that would suggest again that the market is not necessarily convinced about this rally continuing. But for now, certainly it looks like it is testing 111 figure, but it hasn't quite done it yet. And to be honest, it still sort of plays out part of this sort of choppy sideways move that we have seen basically throughout 2017. Nothing really doing in terms of, I mean, you get these sort of 5-6 weeks of trending move, and then you get the retracement. And certainly if we see a move above 111 figure, you could begin to speculate that this is part of, again, another retracement. So, of the previous downtrend. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.